back. Right, we're back. Let's go. But in chat, maybe. Okay, we're back, guys. Okay. Now, it looks like everything is better now. Okay.
I hope Professor Fitz.
We got a new quest. Okay. Sky's the limit. Oh, okay. Gotta purchase a upgrade in Hogsmeade. This stitches and drought. Oh, is that my shop? They updated it. Let's go. Still lagging. Wait. Huh? Why is the game still lagging?
Hello again. Wonderful to see you. As before, I've arranged a special price on the broom upgrade for you. You'll be thrilled with that broom, I promise you. You're all set with the new upgrade. I can't wait to hear what you think.
Hey Sarah, hello, welcome. How are you? What's going on? Welcome to the stream.
You know me well.
If you're watching horizontally, make sure vertically, make sure you join up on the stream horizontal on YouTube. I have also a horizontal stream, so you can see much more of the game.
However, if you're flying
My name, Doras.
I think.
They don't scare me.
I'll see if I can find Imelda.
I hope you are.
If you are on the vertical stream, make sure that you join the horizontal stream so you can see the game properly.
Do be careful, of course. I shall look
Yes,
forward to
sir.
hearing from you soon.
Thank you.
I look
All
forward
right.
to our next meeting.
Where are you from, Sarah? Okay, so we finished with the quest. What do we have now? Oh, we got to speak with the Imelda Reyes. Isn't she the bitch with the broom? They always want to.
Perhaps I could test out my new upgrade on the way.
On the way. Ooh. Why is the game still lagging? What the heck? Is your name not Sarah? Where are you from? Why doesn't it let me jump? I wonder. Oh, can I use my broom here? Since the guy... Oh, it doesn't let me use the broom here. I need to get out of Hogsmeade. Game is still lagging for some reason. Better. But still lagging. Oh, still not. Oh, 3 changed. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely lagging. You still there, Sarah? You're back, Jury, eh? Welcome back. So I set the stream to 1080p, but it seems like the game is still lagging. I don't like it. I don't know why this is it. I have an idea. Because here doesn't lag anymore. Maybe remove the upscale. Still lagging. Like, it's better, but it's still lagging a bit. Yeah, I know. Because the stream is fine. Like, it's not like I'm losing any frames on the stream. It's just a game. I have just updated the game a couple of days ago. So maybe it was a wrong update. Like, the devs of the game just fucked up something, maybe. But it's really weird. Yeah. I mean, part of it, I know it's my fault. I need to restart the actual... Ooh, doesn't let me go through. You know what? Let's go with the map, shall we? Huh? Why is it not showing me the map? Weird. Is that because... Oh, okay. Wait. Imelda Reyes. I'll be mentioning Imelda can be found southeast of Hogwarts along the coast. In order to get the data he wants, I'm going to have to participate in the next trial. Oh. Okay, so what we're doing is we just got the upgrade to the broom and we need to test it out. And we need to get to Imelda, but it says along the coast at the south of Hogwarts, but I don't get where we need to go. It doesn't let me go while I'm mounted. Okay. It doesn't let you go through. What the heck?
We should speak with Mr. Bickle's friends. I believe I can sneak away without drawing my mother's eye. Meet me near Hogsmeade,
Okay.
and we will devise a plan.
I think I know how and
Ooh,
where
I'm
to
dead.
approach the centaurs about
Maybe
protecting the
not.
Snidgets. Meet me in the Forbidden Forest.
There is this mountain that you can't go through. That is a pain in the butt. So every time you have to go somewhere, you have to go around it. And there's a lot of quests that you have. It would be just easier to drive through, to go through, but for some reason it doesn't work. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, too many. We'll do it another time. I don't understand why it just... Oh, there you go. I still can't go through. What a pain in the butt. And it doesn't tell you where you have to go on the map. So I would love to teleport there. But for some reason, it doesn't tell me on the map where this thing is. And it keeps going down for some reason. Okay, looks like... Ooh, why are we going down now? Yeah, the lag is starting to affect me. I'm getting confused. Come on, just let me through, mate. This is very frustrating. Oh, here. I think we gotta go here, yeah? Yes, okay. I found out where we gotta go. Okay, thank God. I would like to get this game, but I don't have a PC. Takes 40% of space on the Switch. ZBRB, welcome. How's it going? Which game is it? Oh, this one you're talking about? I go down. Ooh. Why is this still 2,000? Huh? 2,800 meters. Arendelle. That's not Arendelle that we need to go. Amelda Reyes. You too. Oh, yo, how are you, mate? Ah, okay, cool. Yeah, it's really good. I think it's worth it to have, even if it gets 40%. Hogwarts Legacy. Southeast of Hogwarts. Unless Arwen, it's not what it is. Yeah, you know that. Yep. Alexa Rickett. What the hell is this place? That. What am I here? Oh, that's it. Is that what it is? Oh, that's not what it is. I'm confused. So it's not the broom events? So where the hell am I supposed to go then? Do you get a reply from the bots? Why it doesn't work? I don't know, mate. Aha. You have any other games? Have any other games? Show us all the games. I have other games, but today it's Hogwarts Legacy, mate. There shouldn't be. I updated the command. It changed back. The heck? Try now with rings. Wait. I changed it back. So it should works now. Okay.
Who lived here, I wonder?
Yeah, I am turning back. I don't know what the hell am I doing. Okay. I'm trying to understand why is it not letting me through? Finland. Why is it not letting me through? Unless we shall try something. I don't know if that's gonna work. Or if we get into trouble. This one is, yeah, I can't say it's my favorite game, but I really like this game.
Mysterious and a bit unsettling.
It looks like I have problem with the GPU, but that's why it's lagging a bit tonight. But yeah, I really like the game. You shall not pass. Yeah, exactly. Oh, what the heck? So now... Yeah, they're killing a spider, that's fine. So maybe because we're coming from the other side, they should let us get there. Me shall not pass. As I said, ZBRB. Ooh. Oh, it's an orc, that's fine. What I was gonna say, it's not, I can't say it's my favorite game, but I really like it. True Wood Border. Yeah, I know. I went to the other side, so maybe. What's my GPU? 7900 XTX. Nobody plays PUBG anymore. Only people in India and China, I think. I played PUBG twice and then I got bored and I went back to Call of Duty Mobile. There you go, Harsha. Told ya. Let's see, where are we going? Aha! I see. Probably this part I haven't explored yet. That's why maybe it wasn't letting me through. That was actually a good idea to get it from the other side. Yeah, it is a good GPU, mate. That's the top of the line for AMD last year. I know in India they banned PUBG, and an Indian developer made a game that is exactly the same, just not called PUBG, it's called something else. But everyone knows that it's PUBG. I don't know why they banned it. Do you know, Harsha Game Boy, why they banned PUBG in India? Was that because it was a Chinese game or something? Yeah, 7. And I got another PC that I need to finish fixing up. That will be my streaming PC with the 3080. I think it's BGMI. Yeah, could be. I don't know. I can't dislike probably Pokemon Legend. This die. Oh, there you go. We finally got here.
The course looks rather deserted. I hope everything's all right.
Gryffindor, over here.
Okay.
Hello again, Imelda. This course is a bit far from the castle, isn't it?
Obviously. Evidently too far for most of our classmates. Pathetic. They should be begging me to keep these trials alive, not running scared. I'm surprised our new 5th year showed up. I suppose I appreciate the effort.
That's actually... thank you.
I know I can be impatient, but I get frustrated by those who don't take things as seriously as I do. And in my experience, that's everyone. Anyway, don't let it go to your head. Right then, enough chatter. I'm confident I've posted a time you won't be able to beat.
Okay. She wants a challenge. She got one.
Fair, won't we? I'm ready.
Get ready to lose, Gryffindor.
That's not gonna be easy. Yeah, that's right. BGMI. That's not gonna go well.
Brilliant flying, if I do say so myself.
Ah, fucking lag. Yeah, I won't be able to beat it. Not with the lag like this. Ah.
Made it.
It's lagging too much tonight. I need to do it at least a couple of times tonight.
That wasn't too difficult.
It's not difficult, it's just we won't be able to make it there on time. It's lagging too much. Ah! Well, I didn't miss the ring. I went through.
Brilliant flying, if I do say so myself.
I don't even see the mannequin. Ha! I'm halfway through and the mannequin is already finished. What the heck?
Made it.
Yes, I use OBS Studio. And I'll be moving to Meld once they add the double GPU output. Double resolution output, sorry. Because I stream vertically on YouTube and horizontally, but as well on Twitch and Kick horizontally. So I need the double resolution output. Otherwise, to me, it's not worth it. Otherwise, yeah, I'll move to Meld.
That wasn't too difficult.
You have to play a game which your subscribers want.
Success there.
Yes and no, mate. Yes and no, because at the end of the day, yes, it's good because you may have those 2 or 3 people that come in to watch the game, but I need the game that I like as well, because okay, let's say for example, right,
It's going well.
one of the usual suspects that always come into the stream, right? He keeps asking me to play those weird Japanese horror games. I hate horror games, right? Like badly. I hate them badly. Like to me they're boring, right? If I was to play a game like that, I would be boring. I mean, more boring than I already am. right? Plus, you know, I would just, you know, be maybe not negative, but being a bit like not enjoying, not any. It just it is a lose for everyone, you know, and also keep in mind that yes, there may be people that check out a particular live streamer because they like the game. Rings, Jerry. They may, you know, for example, like I like Call of Duty Mobile, right? I would go for a live stream for Call of Duty Mobile, but then again, most people, they don't really, like, yes, they may watch the game, but it's more about the live streamer than the game. I'm not in a rush to get 1,000 subscribers. Obviously, you know, I'm pushing for it because that's the only metrics on YouTube when it comes to subscribers that matter. Once you reach 1,000, nobody cares, right? So this is why my my vertical live stream and my horizontal live stream says, you know, pushing for the 1,000 subscribers. But I prefer to be me instead of try to listen to everyone and try to please everyone without having fun me, right? And if I don't have fun, you won't have fun, right? That's bottom line, right? You can tell if a creator is not enjoying himself when he does his content, whether it's an upload, a short, a live stream. It's gone the days where, you know, people just watch the live stream for the sake of it or just to watch a game. Most people watch live stream because they're like, when do you think you will reach 1,000 subscribers? I don't know. To be completely honest with you, I don't know. I have to say that the only reason why I'm still trying Minecraft for subscribers. I played Minecraft once on stream. Actually, it was on stream. And I closed it, shut it down because I was by myself the whole stream. I did like 2 hours of live stream. I was completely by myself, nobody in chat, because people came in, hey, and they saw me that I didn't know what I was doing. I basically spent 2 hours building a house without the ceiling, right? Just basically 4 squares, right? Where I was hiding because there was all sort of animal coming to kill me, right? And I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, so I keep getting killed over and over and over and over and over. So there is no Minecraft for me. Minecraft, Roblox, those games are not for me. Like, bottom line. No, it's fine. It's fine, ZBRB. We can't be good at everything. That's why the world is beautiful, because everyone is different. I may be good at talking. I may be good at, you know, some particular game. But you know how boring the world would be if everyone is good at everything? Like, seriously, you know what I mean? Like, we all have our own unique highlights, and that's why the world is beautiful in general, not just content creation. I mean, in general, right? I could spend 4 hours non-stop talking about computers. I did yesterday a live stream of, I think, almost 5 hours yesterday. It was one of the longest live streams that I've ever done. It was just chatting. They're for kids. Yeah, I mean, most people who play Minecraft and Roblox, they're kids. But aside from that, I just, you know, it's not my main strength, right? I love first-person shooters. I love them. all of them except for Marvel Rivals. Marvel Rivals is probably one of the worst game on earth. I played once, I got bored.
It's all about testing your ability to focus. Each turn requires a decision. Make one, then commit to it.
Imelda Reyes, are you giving the competition advice?
I wouldn't
One
call it
second.
that, no. Just chatter between friends. That's all. Now, care to try again?
Okay. I love FPS games, right? I grew up with Call of Duty. I still play FPS on stream from time to time, but I found, okay, I would turn in and help you. If you don't like Minecraft, no worries. Won't push you to play. Thank you very much, Jay. I appreciate it. I'm not completely against any game whatsoever. I may do some special streams. I have a special stream planned. I spoke to it with one of my moderators, Johnny. He should be in and out today. He wasn't feeling well yesterday. But anyway, I have some special stream planned where I may play games that I normally do not play. Like I have a horror game, a horror stream planned where I'm going to play a horror game. Yes, maybe it's not going to be the most scary games on earth. Fortnite, you're talking about Fortnite, the FPS shooter? I did like 6 months only Fortnite. And I still play from time to time. I have a problem with my GPU. I need to reset all the drivers because I tried, as soon as I swapped my graphics card, I popped in Fortnite and it was giving me 2 FPS. So something is wrong where, you know, other games work. So I have a lot of maintenance to do. We spent months with the bot service that I use, you know, like to manage the stream and stuff. They kept breaking. So now we are at the point where I think most things work except for the points command. But everything else, it works. Yep. I like special. Yep. Yeah, I know. I was like, what the heck is going on? It's a 7900. It's a 7900 XTX. You know what I mean? Like, it shouldn't be happening, right? I played twice Phasmo. Once it was with someone else. I had one of my mates that was playing with me. The second time I played Phasmo by myself, just a normal game. I fell asleep during the stream. I'm not proud of it, but that's what happened, right? So I think, and I truly believe that I got that bored to fall asleep because I was playing by myself. Like the other time that I played with my mate, at least, you know, it was one person that I knew. It wasn't that bad. Even though I'm not a big fan, it wasn't that bad. I still have it, by the way. You have to wait, Jerry. Another few minutes, probably. So I still have it. Like I still bought it because that was back then when I used to listen to everyone's advice, right? When I first started, I used to listen to everyone. Oh yeah, you should do this, you should do that, right? And twice I played Phasmo, and you're gonna get there soon, Jerry. Don't worry. You know, like I still have it, so I can. Like I don't have it installed, but I have it in my library on Steam. So it's something that we can do. The horror live stream that I planned is with another game. I truly, it's not that scary, but it's more of a storyline. It's in ancient Egypt. So it sort of even if it's horror, but it's still, you know, it has some sort of story behind it. So I shouldn't get that bored. But it will be one time that I do that. Now that I stream twice a week and I stream during my day off, I can take 4 to 5 hours of a live stream. Up until 2-3 weeks ago, I was trying to stream 4 times a week. Play with me as a YouTube partner. What do you mean? Are you a YouTube partner? Is that what you're talking about? But yeah, anyway, regardless, I have some stuff planned. Now that I don't try to stream 4 times a week for an hour and a half, I stream less, but I stream for longer. And I'm actually enjoying my live stream. I used to start very late, usually after work. So I was always tired because I do like my shift is usually 11 hours. So I will come in home, I will play with you to grow your channel. I appreciate that. If you do want to play with me, just join up on Discord and let's have a chat. I'm not against playing with anybody, but we need to have a chat first. I don't just get everyone, you know. Actually, if I do a special stream with viewers, regardless, in order to play, everyone has to join up on Discord, and the reason being is because Discord has got a in the TOS, you can't be too basically you can't be too young, okay? And the fact that you join on Discord, it means that you're not that young. I don't know if that makes sense. Just because I'm a big man with a beard, I don't want to be playing with kids. Does this make sense so far? Yeah. You're still here, Johnny. Cool. Yeah. No worries. Yep. If you do, once you join.
Abdayam thought it was wise to use 1,000 points on jump scare.
Thank you very much, Johnny. See, Jiri, you're not the only one that redeems it. You're still young. Let's have a chat on Discord. Just join up. Let's have a chat in one of the channels on Discord. No, I don't do DMs with less than 18, just in case. But we can definitely have a chat in the Discord server. And we can come up with a plan. Hey, Raltan Mai. Exclamation mark rings. Okay. So yeah, definitely join up on Discord. Why the command didn't work? Jesus. Nothing is working again. Discord. Aha! I found the issue. It doesn't matter if your parents agree, mate. You're still very young, so let's have a I just fixed all the commands. This is the link for the Discord. Just join up. I don't know why this is not. It's weird. Why does it double it? Yeah, no worries. I won't be live tomorrow though. Won't be live. Just bear with me one moment. Okay. If just save this website. If you go on this website, okay. If you just go on wogoz.net, you find all my info, including the link to the Discord on the top bar. You will see, you know, on my platform, including Discord. If you click on the Discord avatar, it will redirect you to the Discord. But yeah, wogoz.net, as easy as that. Cool. Just bear with me one moment, guys. I'll show you what I'm doing, yeah? Oh. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. I'm just fixing up the commands. Just making sure. Oh. Just making sure that all the commands are proper. Yeah, there you go. Some of them, for some reason, they oh, fortune doesn't exist anymore because I deleted it by mistake. This one, okay, it doesn't work anyway. My Discord username, yeah, I will forget it by the end of the stream. On Discord, my username is _wogoz. But yeah, just join up on the Discord, mate. Yeah, it does. Unfortunately, it does. When you're below 18, no, it doesn't matter. But if you are above 18, yes. And the law is very clear about this. And I do not want to get in trouble for something that, you know, it's not. That's why, you know, public chats and, you know what I mean? Like, just in case. Okay. Okay, I'm just double checking that all the commands, because I'm seriously tired of having to troubleshoot everything. So this one, I don't even have slots anymore, actually. Store. I will be anonymous in your video. Yeah, still. I just want to have a chat before we go live together. Okay? Chat is in, you know, text, not voice chat. I'm just talking about, you know, just having a conversation. Just see, you know, where we can go from here. I don't even know if the translate button works. Wait. Twitch. Okay. And Twitter. Okay. So now all the commands should work. Yeah? It's the last time. This is the last bloody time that I have a look at them, yeah? Alright, cool. Last time they will fix this, okay?
I'm ready. Thank you.
Let's see if we can do this. But I'm always happy to do it. Just yeah, we need to get organized properly. Because I'm not live every day, every single week. I have, you know, a different schedule. Yeah, there is no way that I can catch him. Ah. Yeah, nah.
That wasn't too difficult.
Yeah, what's happening? Australia. I'm in Australia, mate. Can you hear me? Australia. I think there is a little delay, about 15 to 20 seconds with YouTube. I noticed. So just be a little patient. I do reply to everyone. At least I aim to reply to everyone.
Excellent. I can do better.
What do you mean missed? I just went through it. Your favorite country. Okay. Where are you from?
Made it. Brilliant. No success there.
You missed. I haven't missed it. I was in. Yeah, there's no way with this lag I can. You mean 7? Yeah, nah. This is not my night. What do you mean don't? Why would I roast you? Where are you from, mate? Okay, Bangladesh. Speaking of which, when I did my diploma, my professor was from Bangladesh. I work with a lot of people from Bangladesh. Trust me, mate. I'm not gonna roast you. Plus, it would be racist for me to roast you. There's no way. You're amazing, mate. You're amazing. Don't yell. It's fine, mate. It's fine. I know there is a huge difference between all the countries in Asia. From India to Bangladesh to Nepal to Sri Lanka. Yeah, I know. Actually, 2 of my colleagues are from Nepal. 3 of my colleagues are from Nepal in the job that I am now. I used to work with at least 3 people from Bangladesh in one of my last jobs. I work with Indians, I work with Sri Lankans. I think for some... You made a new friend on YouTube? Yes, definitely. Definitely, mate. The only thing that I can say is my friends don't play PUBG. No, I'm joking. It's fine. You can play whatever you want, mate. I don't care. I don't care, mate. I need to finish this. I don't know why I keep giving me these things, but I was going so well, then he kept giving me missing things where I was going through them. Yeah. 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 I have to say, every country has got their own thing. Every country. Yes. Every country's got their own thing, mate. And there are always good people and bad people in every country.
Impressive work today, but don't get too comfortable. I'll be on your heels in no time. My family's not going to believe the news when I tell them. They're almost as competitive as I am. Almost.
I take it you want to play for a team, but which one? And which position?
I'm my father's girl. A chaser through and through. You'd know that if Black hadn't cancelled Quidditch this year. As for a team, it's the Holyhead Harpies I've always dreamt of.
Yeah, look.
When I'm finished with school, I'll try out.
I got friends in every country. Friends. People that I know for every country, and they're both good or bad. I've traveled enough to know that we're all the same, mate. We're all the same. There's no difference in between if you want to call them races or nationalities. There is at least one thing good about every nationality. And that's what makes the world beautiful, because we're all different. To be good, it doesn't mean that we have to be all good. There has to be some bad somewhere. I'm happy to be in the good part, but I understand that for the balance of the world, there needs to be good and bad. But yeah. Nice, Bangladesh, eh? I have it for free to grow the channel. Oh, thank you. What's your plans?
It's been fun competing against your records, Imelda.
It has been fun.
I appreciate it.
You're here. 5th year.
What's your plan? What's your plan to help me?
For a Gryffindor. You take care of yourself.
Because the only reason why I'm asking is because my main content is in my live streams. I do actually make uploads on YouTube. About mostly, yeah, still gaming, but like tech platforms. If I make mistake, my English, yeah. Don't worry, mate. Don't worry. Why are we going here now? Okay, no worries. Open the Forbidden Forest. Oh, we finished this, yeah? Wait. What are we going now? So, oh, speaking of which. Wait. Oh, okay. So, okay. What I want to do first. Yes, what's up? I'm here, mate. What I want to do first is unlock this these quick passages. What's this? Oh. I want to unlock this fast passages since I'm here. It helped me a lot with this game to unlock those passages.
This could prove dangerous if I'm not careful.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I hope Rookwood knows what he's doing.
Goodness.
Brave? I'd say we know who to leave at home, minding the others.
The time is different in my country, so I can be late. Okay. All right. That's good to know. It's good to know, mate. That's really good to know, mate. Yeah, but you're 13, mate. You still gotta go to school, so it's not like you can be that late. If what you told me is true, if what you told me is true, you still have to go to school. London is unavailable right here. Okay.
Revelio.
Okay. What sort of Martin trial is this?
I know a Merlin trial when I see one.
What kind of Marlin trial should this be? Oh, I didn't mean to. Fuck.
Revelio.
Wait, I see something in the water. So yeah, look, I'm always live around this time if I can, because my shifts are changing. Oh, I think we gotta use Reparo. My shifts are changing starting next month. So it's not gonna be that easy.
Revelio. Reparo. Revelio.
So yeah, look, we'll see, mate. We'll get organized. So I usually try to start around midnight my time. But yeah, we'll see.
Reparo. These Merlin trials won't get the best of me.
Okay. But yeah, we can definitely. And you were talking about Minecraft, yeah? To play together. Was that Phasmo?
Oh, only I'm desperate.
Everything all right?
Far from it. I wandered into a ruin and was attacked by spiders. Oh, if you've
Ouch.
got some Wiggenweld potion, though, I'm sure.
Ramadan, summer school goes. Okay.
Spiders do tend to appear in ruins.
Cool.
I have enough to spare. Stay away from the ruins, though.
You've saved me life. Oh, I can never repay you. Yes, I shall stay away from them, you'll see. Must stay away from ruins with spiders. Ruins with spiders. Oh, and thank you. Please accept this token of my appreciation.
Okay, cool. Thank you for the potions. Yeah, so so you basically awake at night because you can eat at night. Is that right? So yeah, kind of makes sense. It kind of makes sense. But yeah, just was that Minecraft or Phasmo that you were talking about? Okay. Where are we going now? Going there. Can we get up the mountain like this? Nice. Doesn't look like it's lagging that much anymore. I might join you live my other account. When I join, I could be so you can know it's me. Sure. We'll get organized anyway. Both games. Okay. We can definitely, like, I still have.
Here's one of those tables Professor shot.
Definitely Minecraft. I don't know about Phasmophobia. I don't know about Phasmophobia, but definitely Minecraft. About Phasmophobia, we'll see. Minecraft, I need to see where I put it, because I think I bought it on the Microsoft website, but it's been that long ago, so I need to see what's going on with it. There's someone here. Ooh. Easy. Too easy. Too easy for me. Do you like tech? Yeah, of course. I've been building PCs for 20 years. Why? What do you like? If you watch, if you have a look at my channel, is mostly about tech platforms, gaming. Why do you ask? Right. I'm actually thinking, since it's just me and you, if you don't mind, I may do some just chatting instead. Because I have some things. Ooh. Ooh. Aha. Nice. Where are we here? Oh, what do we have here? Oh, we even got some demigod statue. Oh. Well, let's go have a look. We just do this town and then have you ever heard of Streamerbot? Oh, streamer.bot. Frog Trust. Okay, cool. So let me just R76 and okay, 4060 with more. Nice. Like it's good, and you don't do live streaming, right? I mean, even then, yes, about bot. I know. Okay. I was showing it earlier. I don't know if you were here. I was showing a bit of Streambot. As soon as we get out of this game, I'll show you what I mean. Ready for some finish yet? Sure. What are you gonna teach me today, Jerry? Yeah. Yeah, no, but what I mean is streamer.bot. I'll show you in a minute. I missed it. Okay. So streamer.bot is a service like Stream Elements. You maybe heard of Stream Elements or Streamlabs? You're new here. Yeah, no, I know. Don't worry, mate. One thing that you gotta know about me, that I don't mind questions. Obviously, you know, if I'm playing FPS games or I'm in the middle of a battle, I may have a hard time to reply. But as soon as I'm out of a battle, this is why I stopped playing FPS games, because I didn't have I didn't have time to answer questions, and the viewers to me comes first, then the game. Does this make sense? So don't worry if you need to ask questions. I prefer that you ask questions that you don't. Right? So perché le? Yeah. I hope I'm not gonna be banned for this. So it's really impressive what you achieved by yourself. It's very impressive. Do you live stream as well with your PC, or do you record, edit, and upload to any platforms with your YouTube, with your PC? So there should be another one here. Oh, they're just back there. What does perché means? Perché? Sounds like Italian almost. Oh, what is this bloke doing? Hello? Hello? Let me give him a bit of a zap. He went through it. What the heck? I like to edit, but I don't have a channel. Okay? Have you ever edited before?
Let's see what's up your sleeve this time, Merlin.
If you did, which program did you use? Okay. Ooh, we got natural terrain. Ooh. Oh, there is another one outside here. NCP. Yeah, I know. It was weird, so weird. Let me see what kind of modeling trial. I don't know, we'll see. You're this close, Jerry, this close. Okay, so what program do you use to edit so far? Like, I'm happy to help in any way I can. Just, yeah. Just let me know what you need. I'm not the best editor. You probably watch some of my YouTube videos. But for mobile InShot. Oh, so you do Resolve? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. How do you like Resolve? There's nothing. Okay. Yeah. Jerry, it didn't trigger because I triggered it. I saw you try to trigger it a few times. So I thought I would do a gesture and trigger it for you. Now there's a cool down of a couple of minutes. Oh, of course you can't afford to pay one. You're 13-year-old. I use DaVinci Resolve as well. But bottom line is DaVinci Resolve is the best editor for anybody. I ended up purchasing it, the program. You know how DaVinci Resolve is free, but you can get like you can get a one-time payment and unlock it completely. I did unlock it. What the hell is this page? Oh, there it is. I did unlock it. I paid whatever I had to pay. And I unlock it for the simple reason that I saw the benefits in doing so. You don't need to do it. But if you're serious about editing in the future, if you have to purchase something, because it unlocks your GPU. So one of the things that you do with DaVinci Resolve, right? So when you edit, then you export. But Resolve on the free version doesn't use the whole GPU. You only use part. There's plenty in Bangladesh. My monthly saving is $5 on my birthday and like $30. $50 max. I'm just saying, if so, you bought a PC now. The next big purchase, if you're serious about editing, just keep in mind that DaVinci Resolve Pro, whatever you want to call it, is worth it because it unlocks your GPU and it gives you out of the box some more effects. With that said, there are. Do you know what plugins are for Resolve? Must be something outside here. Be down here.
Aloha Mora.
I do coding like web development most of the time. That's the only thing that I'm missing. Code. Oh, do you code on C# by any chance?
Revelio.
Not too much about it. Okay. Not too much about it. Okay. I'll tell you why in a moment. But yeah. So DaVinci Resolve, you can find free plugins online for effects, and that makes your workflow a lot easier. Let me finish this this town. Once I finish this town, I'll show you the plugin that I'm talking about, and they're completely free. Yes, of course, they're not full plugins; they're like half plugins. And if you want to buy them, they are, I don't know, some, and they are from creators, not me. I don't have the skill. Did I get everything from this town? Yep, I got everything from this town. All right, you know what? Let's save. Okay. Saving complete. Exit game. Yes. Okay. So, Streambot is this. This is Streambot. I would not recommend this for someone who's not tech savvy. I want to be a hard working person, so I'm trying to do freelance. I can afford higher education. Okay, that's good. That's really good what you're doing. You're starting early. So Streambot is a free to use, free to play. Okay, your top choice is Australia. I don't know if you can get in. Like, it's going to be expensive to come in to Australia. I know because, you know, I got friends from, you know, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and it's very expensive to come and study here. And working visas are really hard to get. But anyway, so this is Streambot. I just made a video about this, by the way, about this Streambot. I used to look very bad, but what basically this does is helps me control my stream. So I got all my commands. Very nice UI now. Commands, store redemptions. I got my platforms here. I got my stream apps just to connect them. They have several integrations. I know we work there. We complete. Okay. All right. You need the IELTS. That's the basically the proof that you speak English. Basically. I'm happy that you're positive. And then it's got other stuff. So you have a PC. My recommendation, even if you don't live stream, just for your own knowledge, if you have some time, the website is streamer.bot. You're practicing every day. Nice. So streamer.bot. Anyway, you can download it for free and you can use it for free. Speakerbot is basically TTS for Streamerbot. when you download it, now it's gonna look a bit different because I have the alpha version that doesn't look like this, but this is a very powerful stream bot that helps you with like triggers from YouTube. It works with YouTube and Twitch, and it's very powerful. But it's got API support, integrations. This is the most versatile way to control your stream. Now I don't code. I can sort of understand code, maybe not really understand code, but I can read code. No, it's free. I wouldn't mention it otherwise. It's completely free. It's got a wiki as well. So if you go into docs, get started, and then it gives you everything that you can do with it. There are people stream up. These guys, three guys, they make plugins for it. I do CSS as well, even better. So they build stuff for Streambot. They build alert packages. They build the currency core. So, like for example, I have the points system with YouTube. They made their own version. They made games as well. Slots, heist, gamble. Obviously, you can't charge a lot for it, but you can still. Or for example, this is an effect. £15. You know what I mean? Twitch this. So you can make things if you know how to code. Streambot, you can build anything you want with. They even make widgets. This is OBS. This one, Streambot. There is mix it up as well, but mix it up is a bit limitative. It is not as versatile as Streambot. And you can build stuff for it. So you do CSS and like you can use CSS, but as well, pictures, like you can create stuff with the downloadable for OBS and then the downloadable for Streambot. So let me give you an example, right? So okay, with Streambot, right? Whenever you make something, right, you can do export, and you have this that pops up, and you can say, for example, right, so you go into actions, you select whatever you have to select, you right click, add to export. When you add it to export, it adds it. You can say, I don't know, my stuff, right? Author, you can put your author. You can put a description if you want to, and then export to file, right? So once you export to file, I'm not going to do it because otherwise it's going to mess things up for me. But when you export it, it's going to export it to a file. Then, let me clear this. When someone else gets your file, they will go into input. They come up into input. They just literally drag and drop your file from Streambot, and it auto populates. You know what I mean? So this is one thing, and one thing that you can do is C#. So if you code C#, you can do execute code, and then you type your code, save and compile, and you can do even more with this than add then using this. So whatever you see here, you can do in C# and more. It's only down to your creativity. Literally only down to your creativity. I was mentioning before, you know how you said that you edit with if I can use this code, I can understand it better because it's 1 AM, so no, it's fine. I'll send you the link on Discord when you get when you join the server. I'll send you the link to the bot. I want to show you as well something else. You know how you said they use DaVinci Resolve? Mr. Alex Tech is one of the people. He's a creator as well. Has got this. So he has got proper ones. So Magic Animate. Well, I mean, you don't need this, the old one. Magic Animate, Magic Zoom. So you have the free part that has, some basic features, which are really good, by the way. And then if you want to upgrade to the paid version to unlock the whole thing, it's $30. But with the free version, you can still do more stuff than not having it. I don't know if that makes sense. And the same thing goes with there's another creator, Patrick. His name is Patrick Sterling. There you go. His website. There's another creator that has got plugins that you pay for, but also he has plugins and presets. It's got some like Picture-in-Picture Pro for $0. Turbulent displays $0. Poster time 0. Then you have looping GIF generator. Like it has some effects that you can have for free. DaVinci Resolve is the bomb. Obviously, there are some plugins that you may have to pay for, but the point of having plugins is that you can do much more without knowing a lot. But at the same time, if you know a lot, this speed up your workflow. Instead of doing things manually every time, use the plugin. And they're as easy as drag and drop. I'm not going to do a full video about it. If you're on YouTube, you can find both of them. Both of these creators that they have ample videos about how to use their own thing. Actually, speaking of which, to minutes on the YouTube player. Oh, I didn't know that. That's actually cool. This is Australian dollars, right? So it's not. I think it would be like $25 American. But regardless, they're not as expensive as other places. There is one. What the hell is it called? There is another shop that has them. They have some free versions as well. They even have custom OBS Stinger for free. Go on Live Animation preset for free. Fusion TikTok macro. That's for Twitch. But yeah, 50 streaming templates for free. You know what I mean? Like there is a lot that you can do with DaVinci Resolve plugins. You just have to just go around for Google. Just look for, I don't know, free free plugins for Resolve. $1 is 120 taka. One American dollar is $60 Australian dollars. Wow. Wow. It's a lot of money, mate. A lot of money. Oh, speaking of which, since we aren't just chatting, I'm gonna put the music up a bit. Hope you can still hear my voice. The music is not too loud. What did I want to do? No. $1 USD equals $60 AUD. I don't know why it keeps posting twice. Oh, because it posted twice. That's very interesting. I want to try something. So 8 balls. Oh, actually, let me try something. Redeem. It wasn't working before. And I took them off. Actions. Those are the actions. Okay. We don't need those ones. Dead joke. YouTube. It works now. What the heck? See if that works. They both work now. Okay. Don't be sad that we'll return on. Oh, no, it's fine, it's fine. I'm just trying to understand what the hell is going on. Let me try something, yeah? Actually, speaking of it, since we're here, let me pull up docs. Because one thing that I noticed that is pissing me off is the fact that it keeps posting it a million times. So this is how Streambot looks at the moment. I have the alpha version that is better, but this is how Streambot looks, by the way. Okay, build. Oh. Also, before I forget, on Streambot you also have extensions. Those are for free as well. I can just stay for some time. Yeah, if you want to. There are extensions that are approved or not approved. That they do stuff. Sort of like the other guys were selling it. These guys, they give it for free. But they created it. And there's a lot. There's a lot that can be added to Streamloots. But what I was looking for is actions. Okay, free. Yes, free, mate, free. So sub action. We don't need integrations just yet. Platform, YouTube, okay. What I want to see. Oh, it doesn't give you anything, okay. What I'm looking for to see, I don't know if you noticed that when I post something on chat, it repeats it twice. And it just pisses me off. Usage. Twitch polls. Interesting. Okay. Oh, that would be this one, yeah? Let's try to do it. It's still posted too many times. I don't know why it keeps posting it twice and 4 times. Unless let's try latest maybe. That's not good. Why is it doing this? I think it's doing this because it's thinking that I'm sending the message from so let's say we only trigger on the vertical one. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's try it. Okay. Okay, so you only came through once. But the reply was still doubled. Aha. Let me try now. So, always twice. So wait. So on the other one, so the vertical is only it's not all. What the? It keeps going back to that is very, very interesting. I need time to fix them up. Yes. You know what? Try to change the bot settings. Yeah. That's what I was trying to do. So, for example, when I do that joke, I change this to latest, and then I remove full back to broadcaster, saved it, and then I go back. This is off, but this is back to all. You know what I mean? So I think it's a bug. Maybe. I'm still learning as well, don't take me wrong. I'm still learning as well. Me too. Yeah, no, of course. I'll play around with it. This next couple of days. What's today? Oh, today's Friday. It's a bot problem. Yeah, I think it's a bug. I'll let the developers know. But yeah, so this is just scratching the whatever you see here, it's just scratching the surface. Like check commands, notifications. Oh, actually, you're watching on the vertical stream, yeah? Please don't tell me you're watching on the vertical. You're watching on the horizontal, yeah? If you're watching on the horizontal stream, okay, I'm gonna show you something. This is, as I said, this is just scratching the surface. And hey, Ladi RV, welcome. I'm gonna show you something. Please cover your ears because it may be loud. Like for example, the follower, what is it? The follower animation.
Cheers, mate!
It may seem simple, but look at what it is here. So what happens is Streambot pulls the information from Twitch, then it sends a message saying, hey, you know, the user is a new mate, right? Is a new follower, whatever. And then Streambot talks to OBS and sets the browser source URL if it was a picture. This is it's an alert. You know how people have, you know, new follower, new new subscriber. So I had, and it's all controlled by Streambot and OBS. So I told OBS, sound my bed. Oh, it's a sound that I have on my computer. So every time someone follows, this is what it comes up. Someone follows on Twitch, or I mean, Streambot doesn't have a Kick integration yet. Maybe in the works, I'm not sure, but I don't have any inside information. But every time someone follows, that's what's pop up, you know. And in theory as well, subscribers on YouTube. But YouTube subscribers doesn't seem to be working. But regardless, I have the picture that comes out, the name of the alert, the name of the person, and then I got behind my main camera. So I made this overlay, if you want to call it overlay. And behind the overlay, I got a color source. In this case, it should have been red, by the way. But for some reason, it was... yeah, it's red, right? And then after a few seconds, it turns off, right? I play the sound at the same time. This is all achieved locally on my PC. It's not on the cloud somewhere. This is happening on my PC. This is why I'm saying we're just scratching the surface. You can do a lot more with this. I'm just not. I don't code. I do the minimum as possible. But this Streambot is amazing. The idea is I have some home automation that I want to integrate with. So having lights, maybe a command to change the light color. I have a lot of ideas. I just need time to implement it. Or for example, having a button where, you know, I don't know, Alexa pops off, or a particular thing during the stream. That's one thing that I'm aiming at. Can you change the something? I'm not sure what you mean by something. Lights? Sound? Yeah, of course. Like for example, is someone cheese instead? It's different. So every single alert, what do you mean mistake? So Dono is green. You have subscribers for Twitch or members for YouTube in yellow. And just come up with the profile picture. It comes up with the name of the alert and the name of the person. Yeah. I mean, you can sort of do the same thing with other bots, but none of them you can do them locally. And I noticed that if you do like the other ones, it may be easier on your CPU, but at the same time you can't do a lot. You can do music and sound, yes, text maybe, but other than that you can't do much more. That's why I have StreamBot, because I can do those sort of things, you know what I mean? All right, it's 5 o'clock. For some reason my eyes are, but I started late tonight, that's for sure. Can you fix the delay of the live stream? I don't think I can. Live stream. Okay, so I don't want to share it. Maybe ultra low. They're both ultra low latency. I'm not sure why there's a delay like this. Maybe it's YouTube that is updating something. Maybe. Alright. I appreciate you being with me tonight. As you probably noticed, my eyes are closing. I should have started a lot earlier, but I couldn't. So 3 hours for tonight is gonna be more than enough. I did 5 hours I think 4 or 5 hours last night. Yeah, exactly. I think it got used to the 1440p last stream. That there was a delay with the 1440p, and I don't think it's gotten back even with the 1080p. Alright, ZBRB, yeah, I'll see you next Monday. I'm gonna be live again Monday, most likely. If you join up on Discord, you will know for sure, because I update people constantly about my live streams. Not just the notification, even, you know, just a few days before, so you can get organized. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for being with me tonight. I know it's been a shorter live stream, but hey, it was good, it was worth it. I will forget your code, mate. Just join up on Discord and we'll talk, mate. Just join up on Discord, mate. Have a good night. I'll save it somewhere. I hope I'm gonna remember where I saved it. And I put in my notes. I hope I can remember it. Anyway, have a good night, mate. Hello, mates.